Go.
The history of the computer began in abacus. It is a housing phrase used for calculating arithmetic problems, but it no longer satisfies, so the different engine was developed by Charles Babbage. He is the father of modern computers and an English mathematician, a philosopher, inventor, and mechanical engineer. It is a device for 19th century, but it cannot work, so the analytical engine was invented by Charles Babbage also. The description of that is written by Augusta Ada King, or Ada King, or Lady Latin. She is appreciated as the first programmer and was the chief child of George Byron. Afterwards, the Colossus. It is used by British soldiers to read encrypted German messages during World War II, and is the first electronic device. After that is the ABC, or Atanasio of Dairy Computer. It is the first automatic electronic digital computer and a special purpose machine developed by John Atanasio Clifford Bell. The next invention is the ENIAC, or Electrical Numerical Integrator and Computer. It is the first general purpose computer which is able to solve full range of computing problems. After that is the von Neumann architecture, or the von Neumann model. It is designed for modern and for programming such programs that use a processing unit developed by John Neumann. He is an Hungarian-American and a mathematician in 1944. The Mark I was developed, which originally automatic sequence control calculator, followed by Mark II, like Mark I is invented by Howard Aiken. He is the pioneer in computing afterwards in the Univac, or Universal Automatic Computer. It was designed principally by Dr. Eckert and John Mauchly, considered as the commercial navy in the United States. They are also the inventors of ENIAC computer. Afterwards is the International Business Machine, and its name is it is a multinational computer technology and consulting corporation in Arma, United States. Afterwards is the MS-DOS, or Microsoft Disk Operating System. It is an operating system invented by Ted Roberts, one of the leading authorities in digital computing. After the Apple computer was developed by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, the new generation was born. So the following inventions, the vacuum tube, with the same function of transistors that amplify electronic signals. Until the microprocessor was invented in 1969, it also called as a CPU, which acts as the brain of the computer. It was considered as the beginning of the fourth generation.
System unit is the core of a computer system. It usually has a rectangular backplate on desktop. This is the power supply and the power cord. And this is the DVD-ROM. It's usually located on front of the system unit. This is the IDE connector. It used to connect the DVDs or floppy drive. This is the floppy drive connector that used to connect on floppy disk drive. Floppy disk drive store a small amount of information. And hard disk drive, it store a massive amount of information that the floppy disk. Sound card. It's easily to understand from the sound it's related on music that form a song. LAN card. This is the connector of two computers from one printer. Video card. It's used to install a video from a computer. Modem. Used to connect your computer to internet. Motherboard. This is the large square which contains a tiny chip. There are two kinds of series. The parallel serial port and the parallel port. The keyboard port and the mouse port. And the printer port and the USB port. And the other part of the system unit, PCI slot, where we store the video card, sound card, and modem. This is the CMOS battery. And this is the heatsink. CPU is located under the heatsink, and it is the main brain of computer. That's all. Thank you. system unit. The monitor is like a weight system unit. It has two kinds of monitor, the vertical and the cathode picture. Map. It is an hardware which is to point out an icon. Keyboard is to type a character and to move monitor. It has a different key. The numeric keys, function keys, and the navigation keys. System unit. This is the core of the computer, which is main part of the computer will have a more information. Webcam. It is the hardware that you use when you want to see someone in front of you face to face.